hearing nothing but the rumbling echo of a dream. Revved up by a high-powered engine desire in shifting possibilities into realities. Fueled by Royale Business Club's superior additive system, achieving extra mileage to success. Delivering greater octane to the business year after year. Shifting into top gear as Royale Business Club continues the race across industries.
I'd like to congratulate Royale and all the people behind it that create what it is. Rest assured, you now have the super brand status with you.
Aside from ginagamit po yung mga products natin, ang dali pong i-share ang products eh. So yun, hindi ka talaga mahihiya. Ang ganda na ng marketing plan ng business. Ang ganda pa ng products. So we're really proud to be part of this business.
Power for your control.
Phenomenal ang pinakamagandang term sa nangyari sa buhay namin. Bahay, mga sasakyan.
Kung ano po ang aming nakamit, bahay, kotse, travel, even po yung pag-aaral ng aming mga anak, ang nakakatuwa ko dito. Meron kaming oportunidad na makatulong sa maraming tao.
It.
Hindi po pala kailangan na maging magaling ka o maging linya mo to para po ma-acquire mo yung mga na-acquire ng mga nauna sa'yo.
Try it.
Sinubukan ko lang siya.
Do it.
Hindi pa magal, sineryoso ko na. Sinapuso ko na po yung negosyo.
Engineered to move the human spirit.
Wag na lang po yung kotse, wag na lang po yung kinita kong milyon. Yung pagkakataon ko na lang na yung parents ko maging proud po sa akin, nakikita nila na may